officials.
The state government, led by Arts and Culture Minister Paul Lingdaw, has announced plans to upgrade cinema infrastructure, starting with department-owned halls in Jowai and Tura within the year. Highlighting Meghalaya's unique position as the only Indian state with its own OTT platform, Lingdaw emphasized its growing global reach. Additionally, the department is considering introducing a new award to recognize artistic excellence. Once finalized, the proposal will be presented to the cabinet for approval.
Meghalaya is the only state which has a government-sponsored OTT platform. No other state government has done it. And the OTT platform named O Meghalaya has become very popular, and today it has a global audience. All movies made in Khasi Panar and in Garu are screened, songs, music videos are on display, and therefore it's a major initiative that the state government has taken up to support the artistic and musical fraternity.